Everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to cancel your transfer on Capitec Bank app. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so how to reverse your money. So this is how to cancel your money on Capitec Bank app. So first of all, you just have to open the Capitec app and it should be familiar, and then just click on it and launch it, and then you just have to find your transaction history. So once you are logged in and on the Capitec app home screen, you need to locate your transaction history. Look for a button labeled as transact or transaction, then identify the transaction you want to reverse, and then you just have to click on the button which says reverse transaction or cancel transaction, and this is how you do it. If you cannot see the reverse transaction button, just contact the Capitec Bank support and they will reverse your transaction within 24 hours. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.